keep talking to us about the visuals, and also important to mention here that amongst the BJP leaders who are now leading this protest against the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal over the Sheesh Mahal controversy is also a former top leader of the Aam Aadmi Party who recently joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Former Delhi Minister Kailash Gehlot was also leading that protest. On your screens right now are visuals of Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva. We saw how barricades were in fact scaled by BJP workers. Right now, these are live pictures coming in from the spot. This seems to be a bus where the cops are now detaining BJP workers, and now Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has been pushed into one of those buses. The police has come in. There is an attempt to control the situation there, but hundreds of BJP workers on the streets of Delhi with top BJP leaders escalating the attack on Arvind Kejriwal. One among them is also former Delhi Minister Kailash Gehlot, who in his letter also cited the Sheesh Mahal controversy. Let's take you through the reaction while we keep the live pictures on it. Let's also take you through the reaction of Kailash Gehlot.
जो शीश महल का इशू है उस पे प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं, और मैंने जब अपनी चिट्ठी लिखी अरविंद जी को तो उसमें ये साफ साफ लिखा कि शीश महल का जिस प्रकार से जो कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट हुई है ये वाकई में अनफॉर्चुनेट है, और कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारे कोर प्रिंसिपल्स हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के उसके साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज होने का जीता जाता एग्जाम्पल है।
जी सर, एक पीएसी की मीटिंग भी आज चल रही है अरविंद केजरीवाल के घर में। सारे नेता जो लीडर हैं उनके घर पहुंच चुके हैं, और हो सकता है कि वो आज फर्स्ट लिस्ट जो होती है वो जारी कर दें। इतनी जल्दी लिस्ट अनाउंस करना, अभी तो डेट भी अनाउंस नहीं हुई, कैसे देखते हैं आप उनकी रणनीति?
वो तो उनका प्रेरोगेटिव है, अगर वो सीट अनाउंस पहले करना चाहते हैं तो वो उनका निर्णय है, उसमें मेरा कुछ कहना जो है।
अभी तक का जो हिसाब किताब रहा है उसको कैसे देखते हैं आप? इलेक्शन आने वाले इलेक्शन में किस तरह की जोरदार तैयारियां देख रहे हैं बीजेपी की तरफ से?
नहीं, मैं सुन नहीं पाया
सर, अभी तक की जो सिचुएशन बनी हुई है, जिस तरह से तैयारियां चल रही हैं, उसको कैसे देखते हैं कि क्या होने वाला इलेक्शन में?
Let's go back live to the pictures that are now coming in. A dramatic protest by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Earlier you saw how they scaled the barricades, and now they're atop a vehicle that has come in. Hundreds of BJP workers on the ground. Going back to Sabyasachi, who's on the ground. Sabyasachi, take us through what you're seeing around you. BJP workers right now are atop that vehicle. What is the police action that you're seeing in and around Arvind Kejriwal's residence?
Well, that's right. See, the Delhi police right now have detained Virendra Sachdeva as well as Kailash Gehlot, and they have put them inside the Delhi police van. But now the party workers on your screen, you can see they are atop of the bus as well as standing right in front of the bus, not allowing Delhi police to take Kailash Gehlot and Virendra Sachdeva from the protest site. Now the Delhi BJP unit have gathered in large numbers to carry out the demonstration in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence against the lavish spending that has been seen, and also questioning the source of the funding that went into Sheesh Mahal. See, Kailash Gehlot, who was a few days ago part of the Arvind Kejriwal government, himself have questioned the Sheesh Mahal, and now once the Delhi police had detained Kailash Gehlot and Virendra Sachdeva, the BJP party workers quickly gherawed the van where Kailash Gehlot and Virendra Sachdeva had been detained. Now the Delhi police, you can see on your screen, are trying to speak to the protesters to make sure that they vacate the road as soon as possible, and they can take this bus away from the protest site. But the Delhi BJP party workers are now have climbed on top of the bus, not allowing the bus to move forward, not allowing the Delhi police to take away Virendra Sachdeva as well as Kailash Gehlot from the spot. They say that they would continue this agitation in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence, that is 5 Firozshah Road, and demand answers from the Aam Aadmi Party government that what was the source of the funding that went to the lavish decoration of the Sheesh Mahal.
So right now on your screens, live pictures coming in from outside 5 Firozshah Road, which is Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Virendra Sachdeva, the Bharatiya Janata Party's Delhi BJP unit president, has been detained, and so has the cops detained Kailash Gehlot. We are going to keep our focus on that story as the pictures are extremely dramatic. The protest is intensifying, and the showdown over Sheesh Mahal is escalating. Taking a short break, we'll be back with the live news and updates from the national capital.